Have you ever wondered who really owns your electric car? You see the badge, Tesla, Ford, BMW, but behind that shiny logo is a quiet revolution reshaping the EV world. And it's being powered by three letters, LFP, Lithium Iron Phosphate. This isn't just about batteries. It's about control, cost, and who's truly in charge of your ride's future. LFP batteries are cheaper, safer, and last longer than traditional lithium-ion batteries that use nickel and cobalt. They're perfect for mass-market EVs. But here's the twist. China dominates over 95% of the world's LFP production. Companies like CATL and BYD aren't just battery suppliers, they're kingmakers, deciding which automakers stay competitive. And now, Western car makers from Tesla to Ford are quietly partnering with or licensing tech from these Chinese giants. So while your EV might say, made in America, its power source may have been born in China. Behind the scenes, there's a complex web of joint ventures, raw material control, and government strategy. China's national champion policy means companies like CATL, Goshen, and BYD are backed by state resources and long-term planning. They control not just battery factories, but also the lithium mines, phosphate supplies, and the entire upstream chain. In other words, they don't just sell batteries. They own the ecosystem that makes EVs possible. And as Western automakers rush to meet EV mandates, they're becoming increasingly dependent on this Chinese supply web, a quiet shift that's rewriting global power dynamics. So, when you buy a Tesla Model 3 or a Ford F-150 Lightning, think beyond the brand. Ask yourself, who made the heart of that car? Who profits every time you charge it? The truth is, the EV revolution isn't just a story of green innovation. It's a geopolitical chess game. The players aren't just automakers. They're nations, investors, and battery empires competing for dominance. As the LFP takeover continues, the question isn't if China will shape the EV future. It's how much of it they already own. So, next time you plug in your car, remember, you might be charging more than just a battery. You're charging a global power shift.